In this video, I'm going to show you how to make iPhone screen never goes off on iOS 18. So if your iPhone screen goes off after a couple of minutes or seconds, after you upgraded to the latest iOS 18, you can easily make this never happen on your iPhone. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, if you want to make your iPhone screen never to go off on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now, on the settings page, you need to scroll down like this, and then click on display and brightness. Scroll down and select auto lock. Then here you have few options that you can select here to make your iPhone screen to never goes off on your iOS 18. You can choose between 30 seconds to 5 minutes. So the longer the time, the longer your iPhone screen is going to stay active. However, to make your iPhone screen active wherever never goes off or turns off, whether you take your eyes off the device or not, just come here and click on never. And once you selected never, you can see your iPhone may use more energy with these settings, but your iPhone screen will never turn off whether you're using it or not, except you go ahead and press the side button. So that is it. So this is how you can easily make your iPhone screen never turn off on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.